events occur during the process of photosynthesis. This events is the most important. That question is going to be asked in 3 marks in board exam. So what are the events we are going to discuss step by step. First of all, absorption of light energy by the chlorophyll. And what are the role here in the chlorophyll? It is the responsible for the trapping the sunlight. And the second step, conversion of light energy to the chemical energy, and splitting of water molecule into the hydrogen and oxygen. And third step, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. These are very important for the board examination. These steps need not to take place one after the other immediately. So some process is going to take place during the day, like the trapping of energy and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. That process in the takes place during the daytime, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate is the takes place in the dicot and monocot plants. But in the case of desert plant or the succulent plant, take the carbon dioxide at the night and prepare an immediate which is acted upon by the energy absorption of chlorophyll during the daytime. And so orchids and cactus, so this type of the process of absorption of carbon dioxide. And here in this figure you are going to be observe the different type of the process. That in the midrib is present, this is the midrib, and this is the veins is present, and these are the lamella of leaf blade. And here in that phloem and xylem, phloem, these two is jointly is called the vascular bundle, and phloem is the responsible for the transportation of food material, and the xylem is responsible for the transportation of water and minerals to the process of photosynthesis. After the formation of food, that take out to whole plant by the phloem. And let's we go for the scene the enlarged section of this leaf blade that have the waxy cuticle layer. The wax, it is a type of lipid, and which are the responsible for the protection of our the leaf. And this is the upper epidermal cell. This epidermis cell is going to made up of the parenchymatous tissues that you have studied in class 9th. And parenchymatous tissues is the responsible for the storage of materials. And here and there some the polysaccharide tissues is present, and that contain the chlorophyll, and the air space is present between them. And next the lower epidermis is present. Same here in that lower epidermis have the guard shell, as well as have the protection from this environmental condition. This is the structure of the mesophyll cells, and the different type of cells we have seen. This is that structure of polysaccharide tissues. And next one, if we are carefully observe a cross section of leaf under the microscope, we will observe some cells, the mesophyll cells, that is the chlorenchyma. What is the chlorenchyma? It is a type of parenchymatous tissues that contain the chlorophyll which are the process of photosynthesis, and these contain the green dots. These green dots are cell organelles, that is called the chloroplast. It is the largest cell organelles in plant cell, and it is absent in the animals. And some bacteria also have this chloroplast, that is called the bacterio. Chlorophyll is also present here in that, because the cell organelles is absent, but they due to presence of the chlorophyll that show the process of photosynthesis, that is called the cyanobacteria.